Hey there, this is Wyatt here.
That's a really good value that you can
Today
get a police car.
I'm gonna unbox these two aux cables. I got green and blue. All aux cables in
length.
length.
For a Hot Wheel or a Matchbox at like Walmart or something, you know. That gives you a
I'm
Hot
gonna
Wheel
start
and a
with
little
green.
building and everything.
And all kinds of tools to go with it.
And the
Like,
package.
like this fire station comes with
see
fence
the lid
and
back.
a signed fire
Let's see
station
here.
in a car.
You don't want that.
Yeah, they give you a lot of stuff for the money.
For $1, which is just 100 pennies. 4 quarters plus all that for fun.
See that? That's just how it
That's
looks.
a good value when you
Let's see how it looks.
I want to open this.
See how it looks. Let's see if the aux cable works just perfect as it ought. To make that out
No.
just in the center, but eventually like
Oh,
in the
but
center,
I got the car out.
just like that.
Whoa, look at this. Look at his car.
Oh, cool.
Nice.
Okay, get the rest. Go, 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 go.
There.
Hurry, hurry.
I unboxed the green one. Let's see how long this green aux
Ah!
It's okay, I'll find it here.
What is it? What is it?
It
What
was
is it?
just a sign. I got it, like right here.
cable. Let's see. I'm gonna plug my green aux cable into my yellow
That wasn't bad
headphones.
when we first got it.
Let me see if it works or not.
See, the good thing
Right
about
through
unboxing
into my
the car is that even if you
iPad.
do
Let's
something-
see how it works all the way there.
Ah,
And my green aux cable is plugged into the iPad.
there.
But
Stay! No, 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 no. Oh, the fire door's open. The door's open.
The fire station?
Yeah.
it works!
What?
I unboxed the green aux cable. I know if that's
That's
far.
my favorite Dollar Tree store in Florida.
That's a Dollar Tree store.
One right next to home.
Dad, I unboxed the green aux cable first. And now,
We're gonna be way on.
and the next, and the last one I'm gonna box is my blue one. I'm gonna
Can I put the garbage on
I'm gonna
the
do the
ground
same
for
thing
now?
as my green aux cable is.
Yeah.
Is
Clean it up later.
Yeah.
let me unplug
Gotta
that.
get air in the tire.
My green aux cable for now.
Oh, yay, that gives me extra time to play.
Now. And you don't want any of this left. And their aux cables whenever. You can see that too.
You know, right around here is where our house is, right?
You see whenever
What?
house is that.
We're pretty close to where our house
And you
is.
can see here and what's
Oh, yes,
not
we
over
are.
Yeah, look right
Because
here. You
it's
can see this area.
I-75.
Yeah,
You can see how long this
Look,
blue
look,
cable
Horace
is.
Avenue on the screen right now. Horace Avenue is right there. It's just that way.
Let's see here. This
Isn't that
blue
cool? Look,
cable
Bub.
is
We're about right about where our house is. Right
over.
Right here. It's about right there. I've been there a couple
Let's
screens.
see. I'm just
cool?
trying to make out.
But it would be scary to be out on the road right here. Well, see, there's barbed wire, so you can't get over
Let's
that.
see all the barbed wires.
Well, there
To
is
me,
right here.
sucks. I'm gonna plug that from the on and on here, so you can see that too.
There's some dirt.
I'm gonna put it on.
That's where we would get off.
Let's see if it works through to my iPad. How it works through my iPad.
I'll get it. Somebody get
Now it is plugged in, and you can see.
Play with the one that's already open. And I'll get the one, I'll get the other one.
Or I can do whatever I want.
You can keep trying to get into it.
That works too! I unboxed both aux cables. Okay, bye. I'm gonna see you. See you. So in the next video I'm gonna use this is to make our decisions for anyway, this is how I unbox these two aux cables for any length of time. See, you can see that. It's right there. I'm gonna use my gray aux cable for now.
Hey, Daddy.
And remember, subscribe to
Only
more
two,
videos. You want to be.
People can
If you want to
fit
follow
this
to my
fire
channel,
truck.
thank you for watching.
Two people?
Yeah.
Make sure to subscribe. Thanks. We're trying to keep on videos here.
Yeah,
Thank
'cause
you.
there's
And
two
we will
seats,
see you
right?
next time.
Somebody